Hey again, this is my bike check, part 2, with aftermarket parts. Alright, now what you see here is an expensive ass bike. Yeah, like I said, it's gonna take the brake caliper off. Definitely took that off. Put some S&M Grand Slam bars on it. They're pretty worn down. Rocking the New Era sticker, as you can see. Put Animal BMX design into it on the stem. Etch that in. And then what you see here on the top is a BSD Ghetto Fort V2. It's pretty light. I really like this fort. It's pretty good for pegs and everything. And as you can see, yes, I do ride for a peg. Just, I don't know, just gives you options. Not that much weight is going to kill you. And then, we'll move on to here. I have the Animal, I honestly don't know, the Kimbo or whatever it's called, Sprocket, the new one. Was purple, I gotta get rid of that. I brought it out, make it look better, you know. And yes, this is my half-length, full-length chain. Yes, it works. There's nothing really different. The only reason I put it on it is just to make it look cool a little bit, I guess. And it's better for room and everything when you pull the back rim back. Now about the back rim. And now I got an Animal GLH 2.5 tire. Tread's pretty nice on there. It's pretty decent tire. And then right here, I got a Chrome Stolen Roulette ATIF back rim. It was neon orange, sanded it down and everything. There's some chrome spokes on it. And yeah, that's how the hub came out. I love it. Love it. And like I said, I got those Odyssey pedals, magnesiums. If those of you who didn't see the first bike check, those are the ones I put on right away. These are just some regular pegs. I just got them at my local bike shop, you know, whatever. And yeah, have to throw that Redline sticker. Cranks are coming in from Dan's Com, #1 website. Well, it's a fact, and to me, I just love it. Who doesn't? And then I got some really beat up. Yeah, I ride hard. Animal Edwin grips, flangeless. Hate the flanges; they get in my way. Just my opinion. And I got the Odyssey plug bar ends. Yeah, you cannot read that. But whatever, I guess, you know. And then on this side, it's pretty much the same setup. Everything the same. Threw on a scavenger sticker. Love scavenger. Gotta rep that. And yeah, that's about it. Now let me know, what else can I make? Can I put on this bike? Make it look better, the performance better. Wait, just give me some ideas. Just give me some ideas. I'm up for it. Oh, and the reason why I got this Fit Trail 1 is because of this bad boy frame right here. This is actually the Superstar frame. Of course, Rapid Milwaukee. Had to throw that on there. Yeah, this frame's been through hell. And then this is where it's cracked. Right there. Yes, I can weld it, I guess. I don't know, I'll do it sometime. But it's a really bad frame. American bottom bracket. And then standard headset. And now I got this. So I'm happy. Alright, thanks for watching my bike check 2. Just give me ideas, rate, whatever, you know, the drill. Alright, have a good day.